How to set up Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard as your default keyboard. So whether you have Samsung phone or an Android phone, once you have the app installed, you'll tap on it one time and you will most likely see this here load up. So wait for all of this to show up and you want to wait until it says let's set up SwiftKey. Once you tap on it, this is going to show up. You'll see this here. You'll see there's two steps to take care of. The first one is go to settings, and as you tap on go to settings, it'll take you to where all your keyboards are found on your main settings. So again, whether you have a Samsung or an Android phone, you should have something that looks like this. So go to Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard. You'll tap on it, and of course you can press got it here, or if it doesn't work, you can also turn it on from here. All right, so this is the switch here. You'll need to switch it on. And then it's going to tell you it's going to change it. So this will work differently for the Samsung or Android phone. But once you get it to turn on, and now you'll have to select, you'll be taken back here, step 2, and you'll see select SwiftKey. So now you're setting it as your default keyboard. So now that it's turned on, it will be part of one of the input methods of a keyboard that you can choose from. So you can see right here, Microsoft SwiftKey. And when you tap it, you'll see that it's all set. You're now all set and ready to use, okay? So let's just go into an app and see how it works. So once it's set and ready to use, if you tap in a spot where you will have your keyboard pop up, you should now have your keyboard shown like this here. And that's that, like and sub.